Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to do a little bit of calculus, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've asked us to determine dy of dx, remember that's our derivative, f dash of x, if y is equal to 4x to the 8 plus the root of x to the 3. Right, so let's apply some of our rules. So dy dx equals, we've got our product rule here, so we've got our exponent rule. So what do? We take our exponent, we multiply the number in front, so that's going to be 32, and then we subtract 1 from our exponent, which leaves us with 7. I'm going to convert, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to convert that into x 3 over 2. That's going to make our life a little bit easier, because once we multiply our coefficient, which is 1 by 3 over 2, that's going to give us 3 over 2 x, and then we need to subtract 1 from that, which will leave us with 1 over 2. And we can't do much more than that. That is the final answer. So nicely done. It's all about applying our rules, and you have done just that. So really good job. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.